Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to rename or change the name of a Google Sheets tab. Alright, so it's really easy to change the name or rename a Google Sheets tab. So as you can see in this example, we have three Google Sheets tab here: Project Management, Copy of Project Management, and this Sheet 2. So let's say we want to change the name of this Copy of Project Management tab. Let's say we want to add the name Project Management 2. Then we have two options. We can either double click on the tab we want to change the name of and then add the new name, or we can also click on this down arrow and select rename from this option and then add the new name we want. So let's say Project Management 2. So you can see now they have different names, but keep in mind that two Google Sheets tab cannot have the same name. You always have to add some kind of modification to a duplicated tab or anything else like that. So if you cannot change the name, this is most likely because that name has already been assigned to another Google Sheets tab. But all in all, this is how you can change the name or rename a Google Sheets tab. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.